Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel DIGI3. So in this video we're going to show you how you can add your YouTube channel link on your Instagram bio. So let's start the video. So what you have to do is first go to your YouTube channel, then you have to click on your profile here on the right hand side top corner. Then you have to click on your channel. Then what you have to do is click on the three dots option here on the right hand side top corner, and then you have to click on share. Then you have to click on copy link. So once the link is copied, what you have to do is go back to your Instagram page. Then you have to click on edit profile, and under the option of website you have to paste the link, and you have to click on the tick mark here. So as you can see, your YouTube channel link is there in the bio. So if I click on the link, it will automatically take me to a YouTube channel. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you.